troubles walk round your bed in the morning, and when your tears start to fall just like rain, you better find you a new song to sing, 'cause the blues ain't nothing but some pain. When sorrows stay by your door like a storm cloud, seem to drive you completely insane, you better find you that new song and sing loud, 'cause the blues ain't nothing, nothing but some pain. For every bad side there must be a good one, and if you look hard you'll most likely find one. I speak the truth, 'cause it happened to me. Don't let your dreams fall and shatter all in vain. Just hold your head high and listen to me, 'cause the blues ain't nothing but some pain. Your dreams, don't let them shatter and fall in vain. Just hold your head high, yes, and listen to me, 'cause the blues ain't nothing, 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 nothing but something. I know that the blues ain't nothing but some.
please rise for the 2026 graduates of the Temple University School of Pharmacy.
Please be seated. Before we get started, we have 2 points of housekeeping. If you have not already done so, please silence your phones. Additionally, the graduate program is available digitally. Please scan the QR code on the screen to access it on your phone. And now let's get started. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Suresh Madhavan, and I'm honored to serve as the Dean of the Temple University School of Pharmacy. On behalf of our entire faculty, staff, and the Temple University community, welcome. Welcome to the 2026 commencement ceremony. This year, we are not only celebrating you, our graduating class of 2026, we are celebrating 125 years of the Temple University School of Pharmacy. 125 years of practitioners, researchers, entrepreneurs, and leaders who have gone from the halls of our prestigious school out into communities, hospitals, laboratories, and boardrooms across the country and around the world. We are recognizing many of them throughout this year who have distinguished themselves in the profession or in society as heroes. Please go to our school website to see the names and descriptions of these heroes announced to date. You are the newest chapter in the story. Let their accomplishments be an inspiration and a source of aspiration for all of you. Who knows, you'll be on that list someday soon. First and foremost, let's start where we should always start, honoring our graduates. Please give a round of applause for the Doctor of Pharmacy, Class of 2026. And a round of applause for our PhD graduates, 3 talented scholars who have advanced the scientific frontier. Congratulations. And applause for the graduates of the Regulatory Affairs and Quality Assurance program. You have completed probably the oldest and most respected program of its kind in the entire country. We are very proud of you. And graduates, your hard work and tenacity have gotten you to where you are today. But you didn't get there alone. Let's give one more round of applause for the families, the partners, the friends, everyone who supported you on this journey. And now it's my pleasure to introduce the platform party. Please stand when introduced and remain standing. Audience, please hold your applause until all have been recognized. First, I'm honored that we are joined here today by the 15th president of our great university, John A. Fry. Your leadership is setting our university on a tremendous trajectory to success. Thank you for being here to celebrate our graduates and honor our esteemed guests in this milestone year. Next, it's my privilege to introduce our keynote speaker and the recipient of today's honorary degree, Mr. Marvin Sampson. Mr. Sampson is a graduate of Temple University with a bachelor's degree in chemistry. He has founded and led numerous pharmaceutical companies during his career and stands as an extraordinary community leader and philanthropist. Recently, we announced a very generous donation to establish the Marvin Sampson Scholars Program that will provide access to education for highly qualified and deserving pharmacy students for years to come. Marvin, thank you from the bottom of my heart for your generosity and also for agreeing to be our keynote speaker today. Additionally, we are joined today by Dr. Ashlyn Miller, President of the Temple University School of Pharmacy Alumni Association and a double graduate of Temple University, and by Dr. Sadaf Nibavin, Commander in the United States Public Health Service. Also joining me on stage and in the audience are our outstanding faculty and staff who are the backbone of everything that we do. Please stand. And finally, a special and heartfelt thank you to our Director of Student Services, Haley Ashby, Assistant Dean, Assistant Dean for Strategic Marketing and Communications, Amanda Hill, and the entire TUSP team for making today possible. Let's give a round of applause to everybody. Graduates, I'd like to share a few numbers with you. I'm sure you're ready to be done with pharmaceutical calculations. But humor me because these numbers tell your story. First, the PharmD graduates. To the 31 of you who are heading directly into community and hospital pharmacy practice, I want to say this clearly and with conviction. Your path is one of the most important paths in all of healthcare. Community and hospital pharmacists are often the first and most accessible point of care for patients who have nowhere else to turn. You will counsel. You will catch medication errors. You will advise other healthcare providers. And you'll serve people on the hardest days of their lives. You are the pharmacists who allow a profession to brag about being the most accessible healthcare professional and among the most trusted. Our communities are enormously lucky to have you. Next, 88%. That is the PGY1 residency match rate for this year's PharmD class. 88%. That is among the highest rates in our school's history and a testament to how hard you have worked and how brilliantly our faculty have prepared you. And for those who have pursued fellowships, this class ranked 9th in the nation for fellowship placements, 9th in the entire country, in a nation with more than 140 pharmacy schools. Let that sink in. You are that good. We also have 3 students graduating with their PhDs today. To earn a PhD, a graduate student must perform original research and discuss something innovative. The titles of their dissertations are detailed in the programs, but more generally, our PhD students have accomplished the development of new pharmacokinetic models to improve the prediction of drug effects, synthesized novel compounds for the potential treatment of aggressive solid tumors, and devised new drug delivery systems to improve the transport of drugs targeting breast cancers. Outstanding accomplishments. And to our 62 RAQA graduates, you now join more than 2,000 graduates of this distinguished and pioneering Temple program. In an industry that requires your valuable talents and expertise to ensure that the 40 or more new medications that enter the market every year are safe and effective. Your work is absolutely essential. Thank you for all that you do now and in the future. Now I'm especially proud to share another important number with you. 125 years. 125 years of Temple University School of Pharmacy. 125 years of educating pharmacists, advancing science, and improving lives. In this milestone year, we are building for our future and are meeting the evolving needs of society. We have launched 3 new master's degree programs, 4 new online graduate certificates. We have an emerging BS in pharmaceutical sciences and a graduate certificate in applied health outcomes and AI. We are recruiting world-class scientists in health outcomes and AI and to lead a Mulder Center for Drug Discovery Research, even as we are preparing to launch a reimagined Doctor of Pharmacy curriculum in 2027. We have honored our past by bringing distinguished speakers to our named lectures and hosted celebrations of our students' and faculty's successes, with many more to come this summer and fall. And now we are building a future legacy of the next 125 years. Class of 2026, you're part of that legacy. Graduates, you've been preparing for this moment for years. Now it is your time to go and do good. Lead with courage and perseverance, but remember the importance of kindness. The way you interact with the world is just as important as the lessons you have learned in class. Lead with compassion, and your future will be bright. Your patients, your communities, and the profession are waiting. As I close, I'm reminded of a Quaker saying attributed to Stephen Grellet. I expect to pass through this world but once. Any good, therefore, that I can do, or any kindness I can show to any fellow creature, let me do it now. Let me not defer or neglect it, for I shall not pass this way again. Congratulations, class of 2026. You are Temple made, you are Temple strong, and the next 125 years begin with you. Go forward boldly and be Temple proud. It is truly a great day to be an owl. Now it is my pleasure to welcome President Fry to the podium to begin the presentation of the honorary degree to Mr. Marvin Sampson.
First, congratulations to all of our graduates. We're so proud of each and every one of you, and the school, 125 years of tradition, you carry that forward, and so please stay close to what we're doing here, and please always reach back and look for graduates from the school in the future as you venture on your way. But congratulations, and to all the families and friends and loved ones. It's great to have you all here in what is our most important space at this university. So it's a real pleasure for me to introduce our honorary degree recipient, Marvin Sampson, someone I've known for over 30 years. Marvin is an entrepreneur, he's an innovator, he's a philanthropist, and he's someone I consider a wise mentor, and role model. His extraordinary journey exemplifies Temple's motto, perseverance conquers. Marvin began working in a pharmacy at the age of 10, drawn to the field at a very young age. That tenacity stayed with him when he came to Temple, where he worked full-time while earning his undergraduate degree in chemistry. Marvin is a driven leader, and he went on to establish and lead several healthcare companies, earning 5 US patents in pharmaceutical manufacturing. His groundbreaking work in injectable therapies has made a lasting impact on patient care. Beyond his professional achievements, which are many, Marvin's leadership and service on numerous business and nonprofit boards and through the Marvin Sansom Foundation reflect a deep commitment to strengthening communities. Just weeks ago, we celebrated his very generous gift to the School of Pharmacy, expanding access for high-achieving students facing financial barriers through the Marvin Sansom Scholars Program. Marvin's accomplishments in the pharmaceutical sciences speak for themselves. I'll add that he and I share something else in common. We have both served as university presidents. As chair of the Board of Trustees at the University of the Sciences, Marvin stepped in as interim president not just once, but twice. Another example of his selfless dedication to service and the greater good. I am honored to have Marvin here today and thrilled to award him an honorary degree as we celebrate the 125th anniversary of the School of Pharmacy. So Marvin and Suresh, if you would join me here. By the authority vested in me by the Board of Trustees of Temple University, I confer upon you, Marvin Sansom, the honorary degree of Doctor of Humane Letters, honoris causa, with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities pertaining thereto. Congratulations, Marvin.
Thank you for that amazing introduction, President Fry. My mother would have been so proud to hear her son described in such glowing terms. President Fry, Dean Madhavan, esteemed faculty, honored guests, proud families and friends, and most importantly, to the class of 2026, congratulations. You did a wonderful job. Dean Madhavan asked me to tell you about my personal and professional journey that led me to being here today. So let's start at the beginning. As Jan Fry just said, I grew up in Philadelphia. I grew up in a single-parent home here in North Philadelphia, specifically Strawberry Mansion, not very far from here. I am the middle son of immigrants. My first introduction to pharmacy was when I was 10 years old. I started working in my neighborhood pharmacy. I made deliveries, I dusted shelves, I swept the floors, I took out the trash, I did whatever was asked of me. Working with the pharmacist, Mickey Lev, was a major inflection point in my life. Mickey was warm, he was compassionate, he was educated, and he knew how to help people physically through filling their prescriptions, counter-prescribing, and performing minor first aid, and emotionally by really listening to them. Because of Mickey, after graduating from high school, I wanted to become a pharmacist. Unfortunately, we did not have the funds for me to attend full-time day school, and pharmacy was not offered at night. And while Mickey was a father figure in many ways and did lend me his car so I can go to my senior prom, he had 3 children of his own to educate. So I became pharmacy adjacent, attending Temple at night as a chemistry major, and working full-time at the Guard Drug Company. Guard was a company that manufactured liquid products. We made syrups, tinctures, fluid extracts, mouthwash, almost any liquid product. Just as a reminder, the two major ingredients to go into every syrup are sugar and water. My first job at Guard was carrying a 100-pound bag of sugar on my shoulder, up a ladder, to get to the top of the tank, which was filled with water, cut the bag with a razor blade, tip the bag of sugar into the batch. That was my job. And just remember, every gallon of simple syrup has 7 pounds of sugar. Every batch of cough syrup we made had 4,000 pounds of sugar. So I guess I was a sugar schlepper by day and a budding chemist by night. As is my nature, I like to know how things work, and I ask a lot of questions, and then I shut up and listen for the answers. At Guard, I want to know how flavors are produced, how products were formulated, how can we make products with precision so every batch is the same, and how to know what products to make. And so whatever hours I had, any spare time I had, I spoke to the flavoring expert, the formulators, the production people, the sales and marketing people, just to pick their brains. By the way, at Guard, I learned the hard way what happens when you think you have the answer before you ask the question. I was working there about 3 or 4 days. My supervisor came up to me and he gave me a batch record. And he said, "Marvin, you're going to make tincture of green soap." I looked at the formulation, 4 ingredients: oil of lavender, alcohol, soft soap, and water. So being a little bit of a chemist, I thought this is an easy one. You know, I'll just put the oil of lavender in the alcohol, I'll dissolve the soap in the water. When the solution's complete, I'll mix them and I'll be finished. So I put the alcohol and the lavender in the alcohol. I put the soap in a tank of water, turned on the agitator. It was about 11:30 in the morning, and my coworkers came to me and said, "Marvin, it's time for lunch." So we went to lunch. 45 minutes later, we come back from lunch, and everyone in the production area has a squeegee in their hand pushing suds down the drain. Thank God for me, everything was cleaned up before my boss came back, or else I would have had a very short career in the pharmaceutical industry. After a few years, I was offered a position as an assistant compounder at a small injectables company in Philadelphia called Philadelphia Laboratories. This was another exceptional learning experience for me. Manufacturing sterile products is certainly different from producing liquids. For one thing, there are no degrees of sterility. Either it is or it is not. It's like pregnancy. Either you are or you're not. By working with the production employees, I learned about sterile filling. I learned how to work under a laminar flow hood. I learned how to gown. I learned how to glove. I learned proper aseptic technique. And possibly one of the most important lessons I learned was that God gave us 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. We should listen more and talk less. And when we listen, we learn from everyone around us. We learn from our professors, we learn from our coworkers, we learn from our children, we learn from our grandchildren. And so if you really listen, you'll learn. Over the years, I've been exceptionally fortunate to have been able to start up, develop, and sell several successful pharmaceutical companies. And along the way, I met some amazing people who have become part of what I am today. I'd like to give you a few examples. When I first started out, most of the important active ingredients, the raw materials used to make pharmaceuticals, were made by Big Pharma. Big Pharma did not want to sell their raw materials to generic companies. So I had to find smaller suppliers outside the United States. Suddenly, this poor kid from the mansion was traveling to Europe on a regular basis, finding companies in Italy, Portugal, Germany, Switzerland, and elsewhere, having the necessary expertise and needing our business as much as we needed their active ingredients. The relationships that we developed worked well for both sides and resulted in high-quality products and friendships that have lasted over many decades. Until the early 2000s, when I joined C-Corps, I was used to running US companies. ESI and Marsam were both publicly held US companies focused on a hospital market. It was easy running a company here. We had one language, we had one currency, we had one very large market, and one major regulatory agency, the FDA. Suddenly, I was having a new experience, working with a multicultural, multilinguistic, multidisciplinary organization. In addition to its US plants, C-Corps had 3 plants in Switzerland, 3 in Mexico, 1 in China, 2 in Lithuania, and 3 in Italy. At first, it seemed daunting. It seemed overwhelming. But then I began to recognize the beauty and elegance of diversity. Through my daily exposure to scientists and business people of many ethnicities, I learned that the greatest creativity comes from having people with different backgrounds and different thought processes working together. By coming at an issue, whether it's a problem or planning a strategy, from different angles, we can arrive at a reasonable solution. And the more angles, the better the solution. So what else have I learned through my many years of experience? Sri Ravi Shankar wrote, "Dream the impossible. Know that you were born in this world to do something wonderful and unique. Don't let this opportunity pass by. Give yourself the freedom to dream and to think big." At this, the 125th anniversary of the School of Pharmacy, it is such a privilege to be speaking to the class of 2026. As you ready yourselves to enter the profession that I so much admire and respect, and that has played an exceptionally important role in my life. To get to this point, you have endured long nights, early mornings, endless studying, clinical rotations, exams, lab work, sacrifices of all kinds, and shown perseverance and determination. You have worked tirelessly to arrive at this milestone, and today we honor your academic success and the strength, discipline, and resilience that you brought here. You now have the education and background to do something wonderful. In a world where healthcare continues to evolve rapidly, your role is more important than ever. You're entering a field that offers a wide array of paths that you may follow. Depending upon your interest, you may choose from among the many pharmacy practice and specialties that involve direct patient care in a variety of clinical settings. If you have a strong inclination for business or research, you may opt to enter the pharmaceutical industry. Academia is a route if your passion is education. If you want to be involved in government regulations, develop policies, ensure patient safety, and more, your role may take you to government and regulatory positions. Technology and health informatics may be right for you if you're interested in healthcare records, data, or systems. And there are numerous of non-traditional career pathways where the only limitation is your imagination. Whatever road you follow, please know the world needs healthcare professionals who are ethical, compassionate, resilient, and committed to serving others. It needs people like you. There is a quote from an unknown source that says, "Life's not about all the steps you've taken or all the places you have been. It's about the footprints you leave behind." I wish each of you an incredible journey through the twists and turns in life, and hope that your footprints will truly make a difference. Thank you very much for giving me this honor to speak to you today.
Good afternoon. I'm Natalie Rodriguez, and I'm the class advisor for the class of 2026. To the Dean, Board of Trustees, invited guests, alumni, faculty, staff, family, friends, and most importantly, to the graduating class of 2026. It is truly an honor to stand here today. I've had the privilege of watching you grow from slightly overwhelmed PY1s, wondering what the top 300 even was, to confident, capable pharmacists who can quickly rattle off mechanisms of actions and brand names without missing a beat. But more than that, I've had the chance to enjoy this journey with you. From TUSP Night at the Phillies, Cultural Diversity Day, precepting what felt like endless IPPY events, to even playing in the Temple Community Band with some of you, which is something I can confidently say I never expected. These moments have meant a lot. They have given me the opportunity to see who you are beyond the classroom, and I've genuinely enjoyed every bit of it. And now, today is finally the day. You made it. Through countless hours of studying for quizzes and exams, navigating group projects that sometimes tested your patience and teamwork, early mornings preparing for rotations, and days that simply felt heavier than others, you kept going. And even if it didn't feel like it at the time, these 4 years have flown by and shaped you in ways that go far beyond anything written in a syllabus, rubric, or transcript. You may or may not know this, but I started my journey as a faculty member just 1 year before you started at TUSP. So while you were learning how to be a student pharmacist and adjust to life in a graduate program, I was learning how to become an educator. In a lot of ways, we grew into our roles together, and each of you has genuinely shaped how I teach, challenge, support, and show up for students. You have helped define the educator I am today, and the one I am still working to become, and for that, I am forever grateful. But today is not about me. It's about you and everything it took to get here. And let's be honest, getting here wasn't always easy. There were probably times where you felt completely on top of things, and times where you were figuring it out 5 minutes before you needed. That's part of it. What matters is that you kept going. You showed up, you adjusted, and you made it through a program that isn't designed to be easy. As you move forward, the next phase will demand more of you. Not just of what you know, but how you show up. Your effort, your accountability, your professionalism, those things matter, and people notice. The reality is, the profession is rarely as neat as it looks on paper. Patients don't read guidelines, and situations don't unfold exactly the way you expect them. But that's exactly what you spent the last 4 years training for. You've learned how to work through the gray areas and make sound clinical decisions, even when there isn't always a clear answer. What you've accomplished in these last 4 years is no small feat. This degree represents discipline, resilience, and a lot of hard days that most people will never see. I am incredibly proud of each and every one of you, and am thankful to have been at least a small part in your journey. I'll leave you with a quote from Michael Phelps, one of the most successful Olympians of our time. There will be obstacles, there will be doubters, there will be mistakes, but with hard work, there are no limits. Thank you, and congratulations to the class of 2026.
Good afternoon. My name is Magid Abu Garbia. I'm Laura Cornell Professor of Pharmaceutical Science and the founding director of the Mulder Center for Drug Discovery Research. Congratulations, class of 2026. We're very proud of you. Today is the day you've been waiting for many years after hard work, and now you are ready to go out to the society and give back to the society, and you will do an impactful things, and many successes are waiting for you. I'm confident that you will succeed and you will achieve what you're looking for. Many of you will be recognized by receiving awards. The Valedictorian Award is one of them, and it's for the graduate with the highest cumulative grade through the 4 years study in the PharmD. I'm very proud to introduce Panayota Arcadiz for Valedictorian Award. she will give the award address to you, class 2026. Congratulations, all of you.
Good afternoon, faculty, family, friends, and most importantly, my fellow graduates. Today marks the end of a journey that at times felt impossible, and yet here we are, not just as students, but as professionals ready to step into a role that carries immense responsibility, trust, and impact. If there's one thing we've all learned, it's that this path was never easy. It was long nights, early mornings, and exams that tested more than just our knowledge. And for some of us, our ability to learn an entire lecture the night before, something I may be a little too familiar with. Sorry, professors. But what defines us is that we kept going, that we continued to show up. Along the way, we became more than classmates. We became a community. We celebrated each other's successes, leaned on each other through stress, and reminded one another when things started feeling overwhelming. But none of us got here alone. Behind every one of us is a support system, family, friends, and mentors who believed in us even when we doubted ourselves. They stood beside us, sacrificed time with us, listened to our frustrations, and never stopped encouraging us. So today, take a moment to hug your loved ones a little tighter. They've been on this journey with us every step of the way. And to our professors, thank you for your patience and your dedication and for guiding us into the pharmacists we are today. Even when we asked if this would be on the exam at least 3 times per lecture, tried to win a few points back for each exam, and asked some very inquisitive questions, some more than others. Looking at you, Max. So thank you for getting us here today and for helping us shape the pharmacists we are today. And I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to my family, especially my mom and dad. Your unwavering love, patience, and support made this possible, even when this journey wasn't easy on you. For all the sacrifices you made, thank you. This degree isn't just mine, it's just as much yours. And everything you've taught me, your kindness, your strength, and your selflessness is what I will carry with me to the kind of pharmacist I will strive to be. And to the rest of my loved ones, thank you for being my constant source of strength, laughter, reassurance. And to the ones who couldn't join me today, σας αγαπώ πολύ και σας ευχαριστώ. And to God, thank you for guiding me, giving me the resilience to keep going, and allowing me to stand here today. As we move forward, there will be challenges and there will be uncertainty, but we are ready. So today, let's take a moment to be proud, not just of the degree we've earned, but of the perseverance it took to get here. To the class of 2026, let's carry forward the compassion, resilience, and dedication that brought us here. I know we will all do great things. Congratulations to all of us. And while this chapter is ending, our journey is just beginning. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Can I adjust this? Okay. I've had the pleasure of serving as your class president for the last 3 years, and I'm truly grateful to be here today celebrating this moment with all of you. First, I want to thank God, my family, and my friends for their continued support and love throughout this journey. I also want to thank our professors and preceptors, as well as faculty and staff who continue to push, challenge, and guided us throughout every step of this way. And a special shout out to my mom, who's also graduating today with her master's. So let's get this going. So let's make this one quick so we can both get our degrees. To my class, for the last time, hey, Pharmally. What started as a simple weekly group chat greeting turned into something so much bigger. It became us, a reminder that somewhere between late-night study guides, shared notes, and constant announcements, we didn't just become classmates, we became a family. A family of friends, colleagues, and future peers who I truly believe will carry these bonds far beyond today. Temple's motto is perseverance conquers, and if there was ever a class that truly lived that out, it's us. Because none of our journeys looked exactly the same. different paths, different stories, but all of us share the same determination to reach here in this moment. And along the way, we became this class. The one that clapped after everything. End of a lecture? Clap. Announcement was made? Clap. Someone asked the same question we had in our heads? Standing ovation. The class that somehow made it through memorizing endless mechanisms of action, surviving semester after semester after semester of medicinal chemistry, convincing standardized patients we know exactly how to counsel, and mixing who knows what in lab, hoping for the best. But behind all the humor, there was perseverance. There were long nights, moments of doubts, sacrifices and challenges that tested us in ways we didn't expect. And yet we showed up, not only for ourselves, but for each other. I want us to take a moment and reflect on our why. The reason we started this journey may not look the same as it does today, and that's okay. We've grown, we've changed, and we've experienced things that shaped us into who we are today. From orientation and prep week to IPPEs, where we first stepped into practice, all the way through APPEs, where everything became real. We slowly began to understand not just what pharmacists do, but why we do it. As we step into this next chapter, don't lose that why. Because today, we are not just graduating, we are stepping into a profession that needs us. As the next generation of pharmacists, we carry the knowledge, compassion, and responsibility to make an impact in healthcare and in patients' lives. So leave here ready to lead with purpose, serve with compassion, and to make a difference in every space you enter. I'm so proud of us. Congratulations to USP, class of 2026.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dr. Charles Rachowski, Professor of Pharmacy Practice and the current chair of the Academic Standing Committee. Let me start by giving the entire class of 2026 my sincere congratulations on reaching this amazing milestone in your personal life. I am here today to present and honor a very select group of students who have been nominated and have been awarded the prestigious Renzulli Family Scholarship. The Renzulli Family Scholarship was established by Michael Renzulli, a pharmacy graduate of the class of 1963, who, starting out as a community retail pharmacist, launched and led Sally Beauty through an era of expansion to a global level, even securing its place on the New York Stock Exchange. Michael aimed to honor his three-tier family legacy dating back to 1916 at Temple University School of Pharmacy by supporting pharmacy students. The scholarship is open to fourth-year or third-year Doctor of Pharmacy students. Students are nominated by faculty and staff and must be in good academic standing with a cumulative grade point average of at least 2.5. The scholarship recognizes three characteristics of a professional. One, leadership, to motivate, inspire, and mentor others to accomplish a specific goal. Two, initiative through personal commitment to create or further develop a program or project that impacts pharmacy or the scientific community. And three, scientific and/or clinical advancement through completion of scholarly activities such as abstracts, posters, presentations, or publications. I am thrilled today to present the 2025 and 2026 Renzulli Family Scholars. As I call your name, please join me on stage. Dr. Panayotis Akratides. Dr. Caitlin Deal. Dr. Maria DeSimone. Dr. Jada Fenn. And Dr. Nashley Moret Vega.
Good afternoon, class of 2026. I am Sadaf Nabavian, Commander Sadaf Nabavian from the FDA, United States Public Health Service. Congratulations to all the graduates. I'm so proud of you, and you guys all rock. So the pharmacists of the United States Public Health Service established the Excellence in Public Health Pharmacy Award in 2006 to encourage student pharmacists to become active in public health. Pharmacists are trusted, accessible healthcare providers, and they have the capability and responsibility to produce a positive impact on our nation's health by educating members of their local community on the importance of living a healthy lifestyle. Pharmacy students have similar opportunities to make positive impact on public health in their communities, and we hope they strive to continue and increase those positive impacts as pharmacists after graduation. Pharmacists and pharmacy students alike are pivotal in advancing the public health. This annual award recognizes pharmacy students who demonstrate commitment to public health. We recognize student pharmacists who are active in developing innovative approaches to current public health challenges and those who will help lead our nation to a healthier future. This year, we are recognizing 85 pharmacy students from across the country for their innovative and impactful efforts to address current public health challenges. I am here to recognize one of those students today. This student is recognized for her outstanding leadership and engagement with key stakeholders across a variety of public health sectors to develop and implement programs that address the priorities of the Surgeon General. This student, with her leadership over the past 3 years, galvanized the study body to engage in public health initiatives related to substance use disorders, viral hepatitis, and women's health, to name a few. Her work embodies the USPHS mission regarding inspiring students to engage in public health efforts in their community. Based on her work, I am pleased to recognize, on behalf of our Chief Pharmacist, Real Admiral Kelly Batiste, this year's recipient of the U.S. Public Health Service Excellence in Public Health Pharmacy Award from Temple University School of Pharmacy, Ms. Courtney Wiggins.
Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Ellen Walker. I'm a professor and chair of the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences. And it's my honor and privilege today to start off the ceremony with some of the PhD students. So on behalf of myself and Dr. Wayne Childers, the Director of Graduate Studies, I'd like to invite, I don't even need to invite them, they're right there, the advisors. Our first doctorate graduate is Yifan Gong. His advisor is Dr. Swati Nagar. Our next graduate student is Sabir Khan, Dr. Sabir Khan. His advisor is Mark Illish, professor in pharmaceutical sciences. And our last PhD student is Dr. Lisa Peterson. Her advisor is also Mark Illish, professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Okay, excellent. All right, so now I get to introduce Patricia Lee, the Director of the Regulatory Affairs and Quality Assurance. She's going to be listing our RAQA graduates. Thank you. You're welcome.
Good afternoon. My name is Patricia Lee, and I am Director of the Regulatory Affairs and Quality Assurance Graduate Program. It is my honor to present the graduates who will be receiving their Master of Science degrees in Advanced Biotherapeutics, Manufacturing and Regulatory Affairs and Quality Assurance. Graduates, when your name is called, please step onto the stage. The graduate in the Master of Science in Advanced Biotherapeutics, Manufacturing and Regulatory Affairs is Shweta Ravichandran. The graduates in the Master of Science in Regulatory Affairs and Quality Assurance are Nana Atafa, Amanjat K. Batra, Paul Joseph Blanner, Jr., Desiree C. Boland, Caitlin A. Boyle, Abigail B. Cohen, Elizabeth A. Costa, Fatu Jabira. Vivian de Souza. Marta E. Gonzalez Pinheiro. Lauren M. Hansher. Jasmine Lee Hart. Destiny L. Hoffman. Amelia Kata. Jessica Kornacki. Penny J. Maurer. Shabri R. McCleave. Francine M. McGonigal. Adrika Mandal. Jasmine Goodry Muse. Joanna Nelson. Naomi N. Patel. Jagdama Prasad. Zoma Kurashi. Jade R. Schieser. Nicholas Matthew Schrant. Sonia M. Thomas. Anu M. Varghese. Faiza Jabril. Thank you and congratulations.
Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Craig Whitman. I'm professor of pharmacy practice and the assistant dean of academic affairs. It is my honor and pleasure to call the names of the graduates in our Doctor of Pharmacy program. Graduates, when your name is called, please step onto the stage. Dr. Clarissa May San Diego Abella. Dr. Justin Adedinshaiwu. Who is also receiving a Master of Science degree in Global Clinical Pharmacovigilance Regulations. Dr. Paniota Akratidis, recipient of the Magid Abugarbia Valedictorian Award, Merck and Company Award, Renzulli Scholar Award, and the James C. Addix Memorial Chemistry Award. Dr. Umer Amer, Dr. Daniel Amusin, Dr. Ajoa Anim Opia, Dr. Rojan Baniasadi, Dr. Amel Johnson Basil, Dr. Harshikesh Paras Brahma, Dr. Suna Chavla, Dr. Andy Cho, Dr. Peter Vincent Crescitelli, Dr. Jessica Lynn Cruz, Dr. Caitlin Alina Deal, recipient of the Renzulli Scholar Award, Dr. Rajvi Divyesh Desai, Dr. Maria Lucia Di Simone, recipient of the Andreolis Award, Merck and Company Award, and Renzulli Scholar Award. Dr. Hala Esmail, Dr. Karolas Ekludias, Dr. Marco Ekludias, Dr. Yasmin Mohammed El Ahmad, Dr. Jada Diane Fenn, recipient of the Renzulli Scholar Award. Dr. Samantha Fogarty. Dr. Maxwell Frank. Dr. John Gaba. Dr. Sarunya Gunasuri. Dr. Michael Julien Sanchez Gadbantin. Recipient of the Phi Delta Chi Professional Pharmacy Fraternity Alpha Omicron Chapter Award. Dr. Jenna Nicole Hempel. Dr. Gerald Hilaire. Dr. Vahan Hovan Nessian. Dr. Hila Husseinzad. Dr. Stephanie Elo. Dr. Oluwatosin Ilori. Dr. Elizabeth Itzler. Dr. Hannah Zhang. Dr. Mukhtar Kamara Jr. Dr. Julio Campula. Dr. Gregory Karpensky. Dr. Kamaljit Gill. Dr. Marina R. Corellis. Dr. Simon Kerr. Dr. Hagar Mamdou Khalil. Dr. Hasnian Khan. Recipient of the Frank L. Law Memorial Pharmaceutical Administration Award. Dr. Lada Demetria Kolesnik. Recipient of the Pennsylvania Society of Health System Pharmacists Commencement Award. Dr. Kamal Kumar. Who is also receiving a Master of Business Administration degree from the Fox School of Business and is the recipient of the Phi Delta Chi Professional Pharmacy Fraternity Alpha Omicron Chapter Award. Dr. Kira Larson. Recipient of the Vitaris Excellence in Pharmacy Award. Dr. Zhang Li. Dr. Ng-Un Lo. Dr. Kenda Jonette Lowery. Dr. Dylan Abankwa Menu. Who is also receiving a Master of Science degree in Global Clinical Pharmacovigilance Regulations. Dr. Francis Anthony Massino. Dr. Jamie McBean. Dr. Amisha Mevdawala. Dr. Samuela Mirza. Dr. Brittany Moore. Dr. Natalie Moret Vega. Recipient of the 2025 Alumni Award and the Renzulli Scholar Award. Dr. Melinda K. Murphy. Recipient of the Merck & Company Award and the Phi Delta Chi Professional Pharmacy Fraternity Alpha Omicron Chapter Award. Dr. Tammy Nguyen. Recipient of the Mel Brodsky Scholarship and the Phi Delta Chi Professional Pharmacy Fraternity Alpha Omicron Chapter Award. Dr. Titan N. Nan. Dr. Frank Oduro. Dr. Michelle Okiyi. Dr. Meltem Azdamir. Dr. Ayushi Munish Patel. Dr. Kush Bhavesh Patel. Dr. Pooja D. Patel. Dr. Vyom Divyang Patel. Dr. Andy Pham. Who is also receiving a Master of Business Administration degree from the Fox School of Business. Dr. John Min Hong Pham. Recipient of the Merck & Company Award, the H. Everett Kendig Memorial Pharmacy Award, the Henry Fisher Memorial Pharmacology Award, and the Louis R. Stezzi Memorial Biochemistry Award. Dr. Mohammed Karan. Dr. Kimberly Riley. Dr. Kyle William Rimler. Dr. Natalia Rivera Cancel. Dr. Jose Javier Rodriguez Ramirez. Dr. Swak Antwi Sapan. Who is also receiving a Master of Science degree in Global Clinical Pharmacovigilance Regulations and is the recipient of the Isidore M. Ostrom Award. Dr. Jordan Samola. Dr. Kade Sese. Dr. Juliette L. Shaji. Dr. Ji Yoon Shin. Dr. Michael J. Simons. Dr. Anmol Singh. Dr. Sean Stephen Stanley. Recipient of the Excellence in Clinical Communication Award. Dr. Alize Sundas. Dr. Hanuma Tabasam. Dr. Sheena Mariam Thomas. Good. Dr. Shilpa Sarah Thomas. Dr. Emma Lee Teague. Recipient of the Phi Delta Chi Professional Pharmacy Fraternity Alpha Omicron Chapter Award. Dr. Christine Ann Townsend. Dr. Mi Kim Train. Recipient of the Molly Nichols Ostral Memorial Award. Dr. Faria T. Unmi. Dr. Nkechi Otami Abichaye. Dr. Rohit Vadarevu. Recipient of the Leo G. Penn Memorial Award. Dr. Isabella Mira Pinto Vera. Dr. Brandon Preston Watts. Dr. Courtney Wiggins. Recipient of the Achievement Award of the Academy of Student Pharmacists of the American Pharmaceutical Association and the 2026 USPHS Excellence in Public Health Pharmacy Student Award. Congratulations to the class of 2026.
Good afternoon. We're a little bit out of order on our schedule here. I'm pinch hitting for the president of the Alumni Association, Dr. Ashland Miller. So I'll kind of give you a little paraphrase of what he was going to say. Typically, what the president of the Alumni Association does is welcomes you into the Alumni Association now that you're alumni, right? So there is no membership, nothing. You are now members, okay? So There, you'll get emails about monthly and quarterly meetings. Lots of them are on Zoom. We encourage you to get involved. There's lots of good things that the Alumni Association has done for you guys while you were here in terms of funding different initiatives and stuff. So it's a nice way, getting right out of school, to kind of come back and give back a little bit, okay? The most important thing that the president of the alumni, you see I boiled down 4 pages into that. How do you like that? The biggest thing is the oath of a pharmacist. So I ask you now to all stand. Okay. You all have a copy of the oath, and what I'm going to ask you to do is repeat after me, okay? So we'll begin, obviously, at the beginning. I promise to devote myself to a lifetime of service to others. Through the profession of pharmacy. In fulfilling this vow, okay, I will consider the welfare of humanity and relief of suffering my primary concern. I will promote inclusion and belonging, respect differences in all individuals, and address health disparities to advance health equity for all people. You're doing great. All right. I will apply my knowledge, experience, and skills to the best of my ability to assure optimal outcomes for all patients. I will respect and protect all personal and health information entrusted to me. I will accept the responsibility to improve my professional knowledge, expertise, and self-awareness. I will hold myself and my colleagues to the highest principles of our profession's moral, ethical, and legal conduct. I will embrace and advocate changes that improve patient care. I will utilize my knowledge, skills, experiences, and values to prepare the next generation of pharmacists. I will utilize my knowledge, skills, experiences, and values to prepare the next generation of pharmacists. Okay. Now the most important part. I take these vows voluntarily with the full realization of the responsibility with which I am entrusted by the public. I take these vows voluntarily with the full realization of the responsibility with which I am entrusted by the public. Congratulations. Okay. You guys can sit down. These are the scheduled closing remarks that I had for you folks today. I know full well I am standing between you and dinner or your party or getting out of here or getting to the parking lot, and I have taken that into consideration. My comments will not be long. But I do want to say a few things that hopefully will inspire you. All right? So, class of 2026. What an incredible moment this is. Today isn't just the end of pharmacy school, it's the beginning of something much, much bigger. Pharmacy, as a profession, is a calling. It asks for your expertise, your judgment, your compassion, every single day. You're stepping into a profession that is both a science and an art, one that demands precision, compassion, critical thinking, and a commitment to lifelong learning. You will serve others at some of the most vulnerable moments in their lives. Each of you sitting here has faced challenges you thought you could not overcome. I can endorse that. I can endorse that from student services perspective. You know, I'm very aware of a lot of things that people have had to overcome. Haley, who will be up here in a few minutes, she's helped lots of you with many of those circumstances. And I'm really proud of you. But you faced those challenges and you thought you couldn't, perhaps. You had early mornings, you had late nights, you had tough exams, and even tougher days. And you made it. You didn't just survive, you thrived. Give yourself a hand. We celebrate your perseverance, dedication, and resilience that each of you has shown over the past several years. Now you're stepping into a world that truly needs you. Your knowledge, your compassion, your energy, and believe me, you're ready. You're more than a degree. You're a difference maker, a life changer, a trusted voice, a healer. So go out there, be bold, be curious, be the pharmacist the world can count on. Keep learning, keep growing, and never forget why you started this journey. On behalf of the faculty, see it's quick, on behalf of the faculty and staff and administration of the School of Pharmacy, I want to offer congratulations to each of you in the class of 2026. The future of pharmacy is brighter because of you. We're so proud of you, and we can't wait to see the amazing things that you do. Thank you, and go celebrate. You've earned it.
I always try not to get emotional, but it's hard. To the class of 2026, oh wait, here we go. I'm already flustered. Apologies. Okay, so hi everyone. For those that don't know me, I am Haley Ashby, the Director of Student Services for the PharmD program. It is truly an honor to help close this celebration with all of you today. To our graduates, it feels like just yesterday, we were in room 230 at orientation where we played rock, paper, scissors, and Dylan came out unanimously. He did, and now here we are. I really don't know where the last 4 years went. So when people think of the role of a director of student services, they often think about schedules, advising, events. While all of those things are true, the most meaningful part of my job is just the relationships I get to build with each and every one of you, like truly. Watching your growth over the last few years, not only professionally, but personally, has been truly the greatest privilege. I have had the opportunity to witness your highest of highs and your lowest of lows and help you support you throughout the way. Through it all, though, you persevered. I'm so sorry, I'm so nervous. And each of you found your light at the end of the tunnel, which led you to this very moment. I know many of you may feel nervous stepping into this next chapter, but please know this, you are ready. Now, graduates, please rise. At this time, please move your tassel from right to left because you did it. Come on, guys, come on! graduates, this is not a goodbye, it's simply a see you later. Before you leave, please don't forget the gifts that are under your seat. And then we ask everyone remains seated until our stage party exits the stage. Congratulations, we're so proud of you.